see how to make twist board in 10 or 5 minutes. Okay, let's restart. First, first take a fresh paper, then fold in half and press it properly. Then open the paper and fold in half again. Okay, press it properly now. Then fold it like a square. Fold it properly. Neither your twist board is not properly. Okay, you have done. Then fold it in half. And press it. Then open them. Then take a half paper. Then take a half paper and make it a triangle. Then open the triangle and take left side triangle to fold. Then open the triangle. Then take a page, any page. Then make it this, like this, like a mushroom. You have to make. See. Then other side same you have to do. Okay, our twist board is ready. In 5 minutes we have completed our twist board. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe.